Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing where to store the backup because location dictates speed and restore options. Connect an external drive or map a network share. Make sure it has at least one. 5 times your used data. Open settings, then update and security, then backup. Select file history or go to backup and restore Windows 7 for a system image. Pick what matches your needs. Once done, click Add a drive or create a system image and proceed to the next configuration step. Now you configure what to back up and how often because good choices save time and space. If using file history, pick folders and libraries to track and exclude large transient folders. For a system image, include the system drive and any data drives you need. Confirm destination supports large VHD files. Set the schedule, hourly for active projects, daily for general use, and define retention. Keep versions for 1 month or longer. Make sure compression and encryption options match your security policy before starting. Start the backup and monitor progress. The first run can take hours, so don't unplug the drive or close critical applications. Once complete, verify by opening file history or mounting the system image to browse files. Restore one small file to confirm integrity. If you hit errors, check Event Viewer for detailed codes, reformat the target drive to NTFS if needed, and update storage drivers. Make sure to schedule regular incremental backups and periodically move a copy offsite for disaster protection. Then you're done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.